Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to translate full web page with DeepL extension. So actually guys, at first you will need to have the extension or the DeepL extension. So to do that you will need just go with the three dots right at the top right of the website or of the browser, and then just go and click on the settings. Okay, so navigate to it and click it. And then you will need to go and click on the extensions that's located at the bottom left corner or and left side panel. As you can see, it's the second last option. And then just go with the Chrome web store. Okay, so here you will need to look for DeepL. Find it, click it, and click on add to my Chrome or add to Chrome. Okay, and then just go back to the extensions tab right here and turn it on. Okay, so make sure. So now what we want you to do is to go to the web page that you want to translate it, and just go and click on the extensions tab right here next to your Google name or your Google Chrome account. And after that, go with the DeepL translate and write by AI and click on the three dots next to it and go with DeepL translate and write with the AI, the second one, and go with translate web page. So actually, to have the access to that option, you will need to have the subscription first. So you will need to own a plan on DeepL. And then a pop-up menu will be visible to you, so you only just to choose the targeted language. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.